Hello and welcome to this video. This video is about how to download and install Python on Windows-based computers. To check if Python is installed on your computer, you need to open up the command prompt and type in the following command, which is Python --version. I have got my command prompt open, so I'm going to type in the command Python --version, and then you press enter. You should get this message displayed saying Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. This proves that you haven't got Python installed. So I'm just going to exit out of this command prompt by clicking on the X, and we have the website for Python. So this is the official website to download Python. The link is displayed on the screen. That will give you access to the download page of Python. So click on the Downloads tab, which is this tab here. And the current version as of the time I am recording this video is Python 3.72. Next, you can click on the button that says Python 3.72 to begin the download. So click on that and the download should begin. So you can see the download here on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. So we'll give that a few minutes to complete the download. The next thing we're going to do is install Python from the downloaded file. To begin the installation, on the bottom left-hand corner is the downloaded file. Just click on it to run the Python installation, and you'll be presented with this screen. I'm just going to minimize the other screen so we can see the installation screen properly. The setup screen provides some information as to where Python is going to be installed, which it tells you this is where it's going to be installed for me. And it also tells you what else is going to be installed. So it says it's going to install idle and it's going to install pip. Next, on the bottom here, we've got a box that says add Python 3.72 path. Make sure you click inside that box to make it checked. And then once you've got that box checked, click on this install now button to begin the installation. So click, and that should start the installation. Once the installation is finished, you will get the message saying setup was successful. You can just click to close the setup box. Next thing we want to do is check that Python is installed. To check that we have definitely got Python installed, we need to type in the following command inside the command prompt. So you type in Python space, you do --version, and then you press enter. And that gives you the current version of Python. You can see it displays version 3.72. So this concludes this video on the download and installation of Python.
Thank you for joining us on this programming journey. If you found this video insightful and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest programming courses, coding tutorials, and tech discussions. Learning and growing together is what makes our community thrive. So, don't forget to ring the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. Your support fuels our passion for sharing knowledge and empowering aspiring developers like you. If you enjoyed this course, please share it with your friends and fellow programmers. Let's spread the love of coding and create a community of learners who inspire and uplift one another.